what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, day 13 of Vlogmas, I want to do something a little special for you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. Now, my ultimate dream and goal here on YouTube is to give back to every single person who has been here for me, watch my videos, like my videos, comment on my videos. I have always dreamed about giving back to you guys. Like, I know a lot of people out there have, issues with Jaclyn Hill, but I really do love what she does every single year for Christmas. She does 12 days of Christmas where she gives all these glorious gifts. Unfortunately, I do not have that ability to do so. So I know I should be saving for a wedding, but instead I wanted to give back to you guys. So yes, this is a giveaway video of some sort. This year has been incredibly insane for me. I literally went from 200 subscribers in February to now over 17,000 subscribers. Mind blown. Still really unreal, still having a really hard time processing it, but I wanted to give back to you guys. If I'm being completely real, I do not want or need anything for the holiday season. Like, I know my family and friends have asked me what I want for Christmas, and I've been very honest and said I don't want anything, because in reality I don't. I just want to spend time with my family. That's what matters to me, and that's all I want for Christmas. And yes, my sister was insane and got me those two beautiful palettes, and I will always be grateful for that, but in reality I have made it very clear to my mom and my dad, I do not want anything for Christmas. I just want to spend time with my family. I believe that Christmas is all about giving, and I want to give back to you guys in whatever way that I can. One day I'll be able to give away stuff like Jaclyn Hill, but until that day, I wanted to do something special for you guys. So this giveaway is actually going to be held on my Instagram. I always have YouTube giveaways, but I never actually have Instagram giveaways. So for once, I will be hosting an Instagram giveaway, and what I'm giving away, it's not much, and I wish it was so much more, but Corey and I will be giving away a $100 gift card to Target. I know that it's really hard to provide for yourself and your family during the holiday season, so I wanted to help in whatever way I could. Take this and use it to buy gifts for your kids, for yourself, for your family, whoever you want to buy gifts for, or treat yourself, whatever you want. I just want to say thank you from me and Corey to you guys. That's really all I want. So how to enter this giveaway, you don't have to be subscribed to my channel, but I do ask on Instagram that you just post a picture of you and your loved ones, or you, or your dogs, or your cats, whoever it is that you love, that you want to give a wonderful Christmas to. And it could literally be a picture of yourself, and just do hashtag Allie and Corey's Christmas. That way I can see it, and I could go to it, and I could just pick one winner to send the gift card to. But I'm not even asking you to follow me on Instagram. Like, it's not about that at all. It's not about subscribing to me here on YouTube. Like, honestly, it's not about that. It's just about saying thank you. I will have a picture posted by the time this video is live, so you guys can know about the giveaway. And like I said, just repost that photo with hashtag Allie's and Corey's Christmas, or post your own photo of yourself, of your kids, of your dogs and cats, of your family, of anything and everything that you love, but just make sure you use the hashtag Allie's and Corey's Christmas. That way I can find you and give the gift card to you. Now, I'm gonna be completely honest, this is a blank gift card because I figured, I know how crazy the mail is during this time of year, during the holidays, and I wanna make sure I can get this to you as soon as possible. So I will have the giveaway end next Tuesday, December 17th, and if the winner is okay, I'm actually going to email them the gift card, like do an e-gift card. That way they get the gift card right away and can start getting presents right away, because I know how hard it is to get presents last minute. Trust me, I know. And so I want to make sure they can get the gift card right away. If they want the physical gift card, I will go out and buy a physical gift card to send it out to them. That way they can get it, but it's completely up to the winner. I just figured that the e-gift card would be a lot better because you get it instantly. You can go out shopping that day. I know a lot of people out there don't have Instagrams, and I'm really sorry, but I wanted to give back to my Instagram people who have been there and liked my photos, commented on my photos. I wanted to do a little something for them and come on here and tell you guys about this giveaway. So yeah, it's something so easy, so simple, and it's just something that I could say happy holidays from my family to yours, and that's just my way of saying thank you and giving back to you guys, because you guys are literally everything to me. You guys have given me more than I could ever ask in a lifetime, and that truly means the world to me, and I can never thank you guys enough. So yeah, this is just a very short video, me saying happy holidays from my family to yours. Go check out my Instagram photo that would be live by the time you guys see this video. And yeah, just do hashtag Allie and Corey's Christmas and I will pick the winner December 17th. So if you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, but you don't have to do it just because of this video. And also make sure you guys head over to my other channel, is Our Flow to Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye!